Welcome to Wagtail Wednesday early, because I'm not going to have time to do it tomorrow. Wagtail Mods.
M.A.W.
Today we have a real simple, easy mod for those who don't know how to sew or do know how to sew. I didn't know how to sew. I just kind of winged it and it still worked. So this is for people that don't want to use separate tools. What this will allow you to do, especially is on your route work and restaurants, getting fingerprints off the very first time you scrub it. That and having my powerful solution, you'll be unstoppable. And see, with my solution, the longer you let it sit on the glass, the less you have to scrub. Because the longer you sit, the more it has time to soften or dissolve whatever debris is on the window. And then when you come with the pad, the bronze wool pad, it just comes off like butter, effortless. All right? So as you can see, I'm the only one to do this. As you can see, well, do it like this. As you can see, it is worn. The bronze fibers are gone, so it's nothing but cloth there. You can see the stitching left behind. So I do have some new ones. Here's an old one that I had for like a doodle bug, and it still has the bronze fibers in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap that one out and I'm gonna stitch this one in, and I should be good to go. So y'all can get some ideas on that. I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. I'm not gonna show you as I do it because it takes me a while. So I'm gonna watch a couple shows while I stitch this up, and I'll show you the finished product. See you when I get back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's finished. As you can see, I only stitched it here, there, and there. I didn't do the top part. I kind of got lazy. But as long as the sides and the bottoms are done, the top part shouldn't come apart. As you can see, there's a gap open here, but I had that before. But I made it slightly bigger than the other one. It may look a little crazy. But don't laugh, cause this thing works very well. Well, Marcus, couldn't you just have sewn a pad like the clips you have here and just made it a full bronze pad? Yes, I could have, but the only problem with that is it doesn't have any water retention. This does. So to compensate for the lack of water retention in the center, I can make up for it on the ends and right here on these areas. It'll retain water and somehow it'll get dispersed evenly, so I could clean, like, you know, without having to look for a water source anymore. Not that that's a real big issue, because if you work like I do, you know you have water on demand. So it doesn't matter if this doesn't hold water or not. You can spray when you need it. But even though with all that, when you're scrubbing with this, you only get about maybe a foot, a square inch scrubbing before you start needing water. If you got a big sheet glass, you can see where the problem would be with that. You know what I mean? You need something that's going to hold that water retention. Now this does have like fiber behind it and it's kind of thick, but still, you still want something other than that. But ultimately, I'm back sticking and moving again. I'm rolling. The next thing I'm going to order is some more of these foam pads. I did not know that they had them for sale, but that's only over across the pond, like in Australia. You can get these refills for $3.50 a piece, and I think that's pretty affordable for something that you know, it's going to get messed up in no time if you're cleaning with the same tools over and over again. So for those who actually don't want to wait to get those pads and order it and pay the extra VAT fees for sending it over here to the States, eventually I know someone's going to have them for us in the States. But until then, you could make them yourself. I will upload a future mod on, because I'm going to do it myself, because I need some ASAP and I don't want to wait. So I'm probably going to do that mod sooner than later. And I'm going to go to the hobby store and I'm going to get some material that could actually stick to Velcro, and y'all will see when I'm done. Y'all see what I put together. It's going to be something like this, you know, along those lines, but that's, you know, that's pretty much it. But I hope you could use this mod, and happy modding. Macka fracka. Peace, peace, peace.